Hello guys, Alina this side from PTE Tutorials Ausis Group. Today with me is Atul Sharma and he is one of my registered client for online one-to-one sessions. He had taken his exams on 22nd of June and he has achieved a great score. His overall score was 86. He has achieved in listening 90, in speaking 90, in writing as well 90, and in reading module he had achieved 79 on the edge. So how are you feeling Atul right now?
The way I was preparing myself, I just wanted to cross that barrier of 79. I never expected to go beyond even 85, or not even the over in the each individual section. That was a miracle to me.
Okay, great. So, what was that one thing which has helped you to achieve 90 in speaking, 90 in listening, and 90 in writing module?
Listening, I was very much confident because I was thoroughly listening to it. I was like 110% of concentration was more than 100%. So because of that, I was able to relate everything. I was able to understand everything, and then I was able to choose the right option. And with that practice, when the listening is too easy, the work right from location is very easy for me. Then it
Okay.
is just a piece of cake, and I was I was practicing for driving the keywords from the listening module, from the retail lecture, for everything because
Okay.
the main play is for the keywords. Whenever the keywords are great, it is everything is done. And writing, uh, touch wood, my writing was a bit better because schooling and everything was better.
Mhm.
So I was able to score 79 times I have done. This was my third attempt.
Okay. Hmm. So
In the
you're saying,
speaking, yeah, please go ahead.
yeah. So you're saying that in listening module, more of the content is definitely important. So either it's from repeat sentences, either it is from retail lecture or summarized spoken text.
And in the repeat sentence, I tried all the strategies like of
Okay.
writing all the initials, of
Okay.
writing half the initial and then remembering. But in the end, just before the exam, 5 or 6 days before the exam, I started new strategy just to remember and cram everything.
Mhm.
And I found out
Okay.
that I was not even say bit improved. I was way improved in the fluency, way improved in the pronunciation, way improved in I was not even fumbling. So I was able to say everything in order just because I was able to understand it properly and I was able to speak it. Not even just cram it, understand and speak it.
Great, great. And you are saying that for the writing good scores, the main important thing is grammatical. Grammatically correct sentences, the base schooling things is helping you out for the writing
Yes.
module.
Yes, and also I started reading up some books, but
Okay.
I would say just I did not, grab the whole list of vocabulary and just used everything. I just know the 2 or 3 words of
Hmm.
grammatic vocabulary words.
Okay.
I
Hmm.
use all that, so
Okay.
I was like not overburdened myself.
Perfect. So more of the thing which helped was academic collocation rather than good lexical resources, right?
Yes, yes.
And how about reading being 79? How that edge score and that borderline?
Edge, I was surprised because I was expecting that because I practiced reorder
Okay.
like not even once. I practiced all the reorders 3 or 4 times from PT Tutorials website, from the exam memories. So even if a single exam memory file have 50 or 60, then I do it at once, or maybe divide it in 2 days, and then redo it just
Okay.
because if I'm able to understand it correctly, then I will all answer the correct way in the next time. That's how I practice. And luckily, the filling the blanks and everything, I also work
Okay.
with the PTE Tutorials website, and it worked. Filling the blanks were easy for me. Maybe my
Okay.
luck, but yes.
Okay. Great, great. So can we say that the lesser score a bit, not 90, was achieved in a reading model? So the reason can be somewhat of read aloud, somewhat of filling the blanks, somewhat of reorder. Can we say that?
Pretty sure it was more of a reorder because in one because that was a totally new. I checked all the resources which I had, so I couldn't found it. So that was one I'm not sure about, and the second one which I was sure about, the one pair got wrong, maybe one or two pair. So that's the reason maybe that it reduced it. And yeah, read aloud might be there, but I tried my best to work upon the fluency and everything. So yeah.
Great, great. Then only speaking can be 90, even if that fluency and pronunciation is good, then only speaking can be a bit better scores. And in reading, still, even if the reorder was totally new, the questions, few questions were not of moderate or easy level questions. They were totally new questions, but still 79 plus can be achievable. That can be said for all of the tasks, all of the modules of PT exam, right? And this was your first attempt, or which attempt was it of yours? This one?
Was my third attempt. The earlier attempt I gave last year, but due to some mishappening, I was not able to give it last year. So I tried it this time.
Perfect. So I haven't asked you this question in the class as well, but how did you just got to know about this PT tutorials thing after second attempt, and why you just planned to go with this?
I know about what I was talking about. It's just that I just needed a few good guidance just to improve speaking and reading. So I have even shared you my previous results as well. So in both the results, I was lacking in speaking and reading. It was not even crossing 65
Oh, yeah.
in those two. So I needed help and guidance in only these two modules primarily. Uh,
Perfect.
and apart from that, the listening and writing were the bonus part that I got 90. So these two sections, I gained a lot of things. So I thought rather than a group discussion, I may be able to discuss more in a one-to-one session. So let's give it a go.
Mm-hmm. So it was through the website or through friends you just got to know about the PT tutorials?
If I talk about the first time, I searched the Google, and if I talk about this time, then I know about it already. So it
Mhm.
was just going to the
Great,
school
great.
again.
Okay. So what was the best thing in the learning journey with
Your voice is breaking.
implemented in last two attempts?
Voice was breaking. I'm not able to get the question.
Okay. So the best thing which you found out, like in the last two attempts, it was not working. What was the changes from the last two attempts and till in this attempt?
Last two attempts were quite. I would say first time it was I was very nervous, and second was I was a bit confident, but I was hoping to clear it, but somehow it was some in the opposite direction. But it compared to this time, I was more you can say experienced because it was my third attempt, and second most thing I was more practiced person at this point of
Okay.
time. I did practice a lot. I did give a lot of time, and thanks to this, you can say lockdown, I was able to practice a lot at home, and I was not busy in traveling
Hmm.
through office and home. So that also helped me. That I gave a lot of time.
Great, great, great. So ultimately, the score has been achieved now. You can just further go on with your dreams, and you can definitely have crossed PT exams very nicely. How are you just feeling, and what are your future plans now?
Thank you so much. So my plans are for Australia. I wanted to move to Australia for the permanent residency. So I have started for the next steps already, and let's hope for
Great,
the
great.
best.
Yes. Thank you so much for being over here and just giving the video of this one. I would appreciate and would always wish for the future of your as the best as you are just dreaming for. Great.
Thank you so much, and I would like to thank you especially for all the guidance with which I have achieved this.
Thank you so much. It was your consistency, it was your practice, it was your right utilization of this lockdown, time duration. You just utilized this time duration. You were active in the Telegram group as well. You were participating all of the things. You are giving consistent mock as well. Before exams, 2 to 3 mocks are really needed so that your real PT exams also looks like the mock as well. That is just like another mock. That's the only thing.
Yes, I gave 3 or 4 mocks just within the 1 week of the exam. So it really helped me a lot.
Great, great, great. Thank you so much for joining.